Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of this album. I already have a walkthrough on my channel advertising my kits for this. However, this video, I just wanted to let you know that I now am offering the digital tutorial for this. So the link is below and will take you to my shop where you can purchase the digital, the PDF. And then you can make it on your own. You can use the paper that I used, or you can use any collection you like. You can make it a baby album, a wedding album, sports, graduation, anything that will suit your needs. This is special. This tutorial is special, as in all my other ones were from older kits, so it didn't have any measurements for decorative. This one, however, is the first one that I've created where I've actually gone in and put all of the decorative paper measurements. So if you want to create this exact album, all of that is provided for you with the tutorial. It'll tell you the supplies that you need, the collection, the sticker packs, anything that you need to create this, the colors of the cardstock, the measurements, how I cut the paper so that you can get the exact pieces that I cut. All of that is included for you in this tutorial. So if you have any questions, feel free to message me through my Etsy shop. I will be happy to help you out. Okay, so just quickly, because like I said, I do already have a walkthrough video of this whole album, but this measures, looks like 6 inches by 7.5, and the spine is, looks like about 3.5 inches. Okay, so there's the back. And the inside, I have a pocket here. Now, I did use the Mouse Ears Edge Punch by EK6S, which, as I understand, is discontinued, no longer available. You may be able to find it somewhere if someone has it, or you might already have it in your stash. But you can use any edge punch or just keep it straight. You don't have to use an edge, or you can use an edge die. Photo mats, all the measurements for the photo mats and inserts are in there as well. Each page, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 pages. They're all constructed exactly the same. The inside, front, and back pockets are, inside front back covers are constructed the same as well. So you can see there you have a pocket and a flap on the front of each page and some inserts. And then you have an insert in the side to add photos, and then the back has a side flap for photos. And this one is an autograph book. Well, you don't have to use it for autographs, but it's got some really nice autograph cards. Like I said, if you'd like to make it, I actually do, at the time of filming this video right now, if you're watching this when it's posted, I do have one kit available still in my shop. I'll link that below as well. If you would like the full cut. Now that you get the actual printed tutorial in full color, and all the pieces are already cut for you. So all the work is done. You don't have to worry about measuring, cutting, and all that. You just get the fun of putting it together. So if you'd like that option, I have one left. I will not be making any more. And then if not, then I do have, if that's sold out, I do have the digital tutorial. So anyway, so there you go. So yeah, I'm not going to, like I said, I already have a walkthrough on my channel. I will go ahead and link that other walkthrough as well if you'd like to watch that as well. But every page, like I said, is done the same, just decorated a little differently. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, check out those links below. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more of these videos from me, please click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post updates of upcoming projects. Thanks so much again, and have a great day.